Do you ever feel like your project is moving backwards? Well, that's exactly what happened in this video. This is the third video in the series of my mudroom makeover. We're installing the flooring and the countertop, and of course, it doesn't go as planned. This peel and stick flooring is a novel idea in theory, but when you're actually using it, it's not so great. The pros are that it installs quickly, it's easy to take the paper backing off and stick them in place. You can put it over an existing floor already, and it doesn't add very much dimension like tile or wood or carpet. Oh, and it's cheap. I mean, inexpensive. No, it really is just cheap. I'm not sure about the durability of this product. It's all done, and it looks so fabulous. Or does it? Well, it appears that the edges did not stick down. I walked all over this. I used a roller on this. I set heavy paint cans on this. It is just not sticking. I'm sure this product works good in certain applications, but overall I am not impressed. I did link it down below in case you feel compelled to have your own disastrous adventure with this product. Here we go. The flooring is now coming back out. I did get smart eventually and use a hairdryer to warm it up to take it out easier. I unfortunately did break 2 of the tiles. I took all the tiles out and used 3M spray glue on the back and laid them back down. I couldn't show you that process because my hands were too sticky. Quite literally everything stuck to my hands. And pro tip, if you wash your hands with peanut butter, all the sticky will come off. I had to go back and wash the floor with some adhesive remover, which actually did work really well. So this really simple to install floor was not so simple. Okay, I have to finish scraping the stairs. I was avoiding this part, but here we are. This is the countertop I chose. It is a sheet of 3/4 inch maple plywood, and it was a little tight to get in. I did have to put a seam in it, but we'll see what we can do about covering that up. Okay, the struggle is real. It's great working by yourself until it's not. And I'm just gonna say, clamps are your best friend. Go get some. Problem-solving skills are essential when you're working by yourself. Edge banding works wonders, and it's so easy to apply. The first time, there's a learning curve, but after that, it's smooth sailing. I tried out a new stain this time. I'm not sure I like it. I do not recommend putting it on with a rag, and I do not recommend putting it on in circles either. Most definitely don't do what I'm doing right here. This is a water-based stain, and I am used to using oil-based, so it definitely went on differently. Second time around, I am using a brush in the direction of the grain, and we're going to see if this yields a different result. I stole this artwork from my dining room. I needed something on this wall, and this piece is really long, so it actually fit perfectly. Don't be afraid to shop other rooms in your house. Next video, we're going to add in some DIY projects, add some more fluff, and find out how the countertop actually turned out. So come back and check that out.